changes colors depending on. First mission, set up my new electric standing desk. Guys, there are only 7 steps. Surely this is not too bad. We've got the 2 legs. Time to connect the 2. We connected the 2 legs. Oh my god, I lost my voice, guys. We're getting somewhere. Okay, guys. This is so nice. Turn it on. It's been a week since I built my PC and my desk and everything. Everything's been set up. It's just obviously, if you can see, there are a lot of cables, and cable management is not the funnest activity for me, if I'm being honest. Looking kind of crazy right now. I got a bunch of things that could help me manage my cables. That is our mission for the day. So if you look under, I've hidden everything in the 2 trays, and then here is a little bit messy, but this is the extension cord, and then this is the PC power supply cord. I kind of left them hanging like this because I was raising the table up and seeing how far it would extend, and then I hid everything else with a cable sleeve. Yeah, I've got a few more accessories actually coming, and we'll unbox it together. So a few updates on my PC. I got a wireless mouse. This is the Logitech G305. It's very affordable and it looks much cleaner, and I have more range of motion, I guess you could say. So yesterday at the gym, I opened my blind box. I got the Warmth series of the Skull Panda Pop Mart blind boxes, and I somehow pulled the secret. Let me show you guys how cute she is. She actually changes colors depending on the temperature. So yeah, that was my very first secret. I was honestly so shook. My HyperX mic, the adapter, I couldn't find it, so I got one. So we'll hook our mic up, and then we're going to set up my boyfriend's Christmas gift for me, this Stream Deck. I'm so excited to use this for productivity and possibly streaming.